Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to easily split videos in CapCut PC. Right, it's super simple, and I think this video is especially for those of you who are using CapCut PC for the first time. So you can import your video. Simple. Alright, just add to the track. So you can split the video. I click this test icon, which is split, and this is split for the left section, and this is the right part. Right, for example, if you want to split the clip and you want to remove the left part, you can select this, the left. So you can see the left part was deleted. But if you want to delete the right part, you can select this delete right. So, but if you want to split and you don't remove some part, just click on this split. You can split and do some part. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.